Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME, GameStop. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, absolutely crazy day today. Started off so strong. Of course, there was the big news that came out on it Thursday, and that continued on in the early part of the day, with the momentum just, carrying it all the way up there. But then it's literally been basically all the way down all afternoon long. So this is all just meaning, hey, Clay, so is this a good or bad looking chart? Well, I don't know. What was your perspective going in? Meaning, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, and you bought right there or you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well, then from that point of view, the chart looks absolutely terrible. Now, if you care about the big picture point of view, I get it. Yeah, from the highs, there's been a larger pullback. But when you stop and think about the fact that, and I'm not saying this will occur, but actually, let me do this first to offer up a bit more perspective. There we go. But let's say that the price actually pulls back even more. And again, not saying it will, but let's just say, for example's sake, price comes down here, that previous breakout area down around 1125. So price comes down to 1125, behaves like that, and then works its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have, again, from the big picture angle, not from a day trader angle that bought up there. From the big picture angle, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have these lows down here. You'd have, even lows right there. And if you envision each one of these as stair steps, what do you have from the big picture? Well, you'd still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. Again, if you're a day trader and you bought up there, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. So, these comments are definitely all being geared towards the big picture point of view. So it's all just about what was your angle going in. For some people, this chart is going to look like a train wreck, depending on their strategy and where they bought. For others, yeah, it's not really the best looking chart with the way that's just dropped and dropped and dropped. But like I said, as you just saw, from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher low. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.